Good day, everybody. We're here for V-Drive, bringing it to you. 2006 GMC 1500 regular cab, single cab, or a work truck with the single cab, whatever you want to call it. This video is not going to be about what kind of features you can get. It's more going to be about, what we've been missing in today's world in 2025, 2026, because back in 2006, we had literally everything other than all the crazy electronics that we tried to deal with it. But we are really missing out all the dependability, the durability, and the affordability portion. Now let's get right into it. This vehicle, brand new in 2006, was selling for roughly around $20,000 or $21,000. There is no LED lights at the front end, just regular halogen lights, no crazy grille, just a blacked out grille. Heck, this one had just a regular GMC logo or a Chevy logo, nothing illuminating, right? And you didn't even have a block heater because it was all aftermarket at that time. No fog lamps, but a really nice looking chrome look, as you can see. My friend Enrique, who actually the owner of this vehicle, thanks to him, he let me borrow this vehicle. He really did a little bit of a good job with this vehicle. He put some 22 inches wheels. He made one little mistake. He took all the aura away from the vehicle. It's a GMC. He put 22 inches wheels with the Chevy cab, but you know what? That's okay. It looks really nice. The color is still intact. Not a lot of rust or a corrosion happening on the truck, but look at this. It looks really, really nice. A regular cab, you have the 8-foot box, so you can have all the style in the vehicle. And if you want to have more space for your work to haul a couch, or if you want to throw some bodies in the bed, you can easily do so. You can have regular gas in the vehicle. You still have the backup sensors, which don't really work. You still have the side step to get inside the vehicle, and there is still a towing package in this one. Nothing really crazy. You can tow up to like 6,000 pounds with this bad boy, but you know what? It's still something. Let me show you the vehicle from inside. He put this big tri-fold cover, which has 4 stacks in right here. Inside this huge bed, you have nothing inside. You can actually put a bed liner later in the life of this vehicle if you like, but you know what? You have a lot of space. You can throw anything in this one, and you can still take the job off a truck if you really, really want. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subs by the end of this 2025. Please show some support, and if there is any car you want me to review, please let me know, so I'll go out of my way to find that vehicle for you. All right, under this hood you get this 4.3 V6 engine, which is paired to 5-speed manual transmission with the rear-wheel drive option only. It was standard at that time. Obviously, you can choose the 4x4 option there too. This specific motor with the overdrive, it gives you about 195 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. No crazy electronics, just simple coolant, radiator at the front, air filter, battery, brake booster, all that kind of stuff. There's no extra electronics or craziness happening so that you have to fix. But you know what? This was a steal at that time. In case you want to buy one of these trucks in this year model right now, like the 2025 from GMC or Chevy, you are looking to spend roughly about $45,000 to $50,000 in Canada, whatever one it's whatever it equates to in United States. That's your discretion. You can just do some calculation there. But now let's get inside the vehicle so I can show you what exactly you get in this one, because this truck is really, really simple. Now inside you have manual seats, no heated cooling or massaging function here, just cloth seats that are really, really comfortable. A little bit of a space at the back, manual windows on the side right here, and you have a power locks at least, right? And inside here you have the center console. You can fit 3 people in the middle here. No defogger at the back, nothing like that. And you have manual transmission, which I was telling you about. And I don't really call this manual, I call this Emmanuel, with this cool dude right here. You have the analog system right here. You have the leather wrap steering wheel, which is not heated. In case you want to have heated option in this truck in 2025, you can definitely do that aftermarket. And my guy Enrique put this aftermarket Apple CarPlay and Auto in this vehicle. There is still AC and air conditioning right here, which is pretty cool. But other than that, this truck has nothing. Now let's go for a quick drive in this vehicle so I can show it to you how much fun it is to drive and how the whole experience is like. Don't add that in the video, please. This feels so good. Yes, the Apple CarPlay and Auto is kind of finicky in this one, not really connecting with my phone, but my guy, it was really, really good sync with his phone apparently. Oh my god, look at this. The truck feels really good. It has 265,000 kilometers on it, but you know what? It's just so much fun to drive. Manual transmission. It just feels so good. Old school, simple, comfy seats. It's not perfect, but you know what? This truck brand new was 20 grand. You can buy one of these guys for like 5-6 grand right now, which is just stupid. I would love to buy one of these guys, but my guy won't really sell it to me, so can't really do much. Even after 265,000 kilometers, it has original clutch. Everything is working just fine. It's going through regular maintenance. It has some rust spots, but you know what? That's kind of manageable. But look at this. Whew. The exhaust sounds really nice.
Car.
Now, I review quite a few cars these days, as you have noticed on my channel there. You know, obviously newer cars are a lot quieter. There's a lot of features, the system works, everything. But there is one true man feeling of having a vehicle that you can drive, that you can feel, you know, as I'm telling you, you know, you have this manual here. Something that you can shift, you can feel. Yes, there is going to be all the bumps you're going to feel down your back, but you know what? You need some sort of a daily that's not going to consume a lot of fuel, that you feel connected to. You know, if you are just like me, you know, 26, 27, whenever you'll drive one of these trucks, you're gonna feel more connected to the ground. I can just assure you that. If you'll search Marketplace or Car Gurus or anything like that, I'm sure you can buy one of these trucks in not so bad condition, hopefully. And after spending probably $1,000, $1,500, you can get yourself a nice vehicle that's not gonna cost you arm and a leg. And these trucks seems to be really reliable, because when you have no electronics, it's all mechanical, they can last you years and years. I'm just gonna shut up for a few seconds and show it to you how it runs. Let's go, baby. Guys, this was my whole experience with this bad boy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have one of these trucks, I would love to hear from you if you have done some sort of a customization to your vehicle. And yeah, I look forward to see you in more and more fun videos moving forward. I'll try to bring some more classics for you guys. Look forward to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.